Several decisions were taken at the cabinet meeting held today, the 6th of May 2022. While addressing media persons after the meeting, Chief Minister of Meghalaya CONRAD SANGMA informed that the cabinet has approved the $98 million external aided projects of the Meghalaya Eco-Tourism Infrastructure Development Project under the new Development Bank as mandated by the Government of India. At the same time, the Cabinet has also approved the OM for the reservation of the economically weaker sections for application to civil posts and services of the Government of India and for admission into central government educational institutions, informed Meghalaya Chief Minister CONRAD SANGMA.
One was regarding an approval of an externally aided project under the name of the Meghalaya Eco-Tourism Infrastructure Development Project. This is a $98 million project from NDB, and now the NDB requires and the Government of India requires these EAPs to be approved by the Cabinet. So we have approved that in the Cabinet, and apart from that agenda, we have also approved the office memorandum, which is for the guidelines of issuance of income and asset certificate for the economically weaker section in the state of Meghalaya. If you remember and recall that in the Parliament, in the Assembly, when we had a session, somebody had raised about the certificates for the economically weaker sections, and there the guidelines or the OM had been issued by the Government of India, but state government had not issued the OMs in reference to that. So that was rectified in one way, and today we have approved the OM, and this basically is for reservation for economically weaker sections in civil posts and services in Government of India offices and posts, and admissions in educational institutions, which are obviously central institutions. This, as I mentioned in my reply in the Assembly also, that this is applicable to persons who are not covered under the existing schemes of reservation for the scheduled caste, the scheduled tribes, and the socially and educationally backward classes. So therefore, this does not apply to majority of the population of Meghalaya, and this is applicable to minusing those categories who are already under the existing schemes of reservations of all the scheduled tribe and the caste, scheduled tribe, scheduled caste, and economically and socially backward. So the families whose incomes are less than 8 lakhs.